It is the last day of April 2026, and so the Patreon kits are shipping out today. Just wanted to let you know that they're going out and show you what they look like. There's also going to be a sneak peek of the May kit that I'm going to talk about at the end. I do have a couple of openings as of the filming of this video. So today is all about the kit. I have 5 different levels. This is the medium tier, the box of Paper Joy, where everybody receives a video tutorial and a kit of goodies that fits in a package. I also have the letter post tier, and every month I do a letter of about this size, put something fun on the side of it and on the back of it, I guess you would say, and whatever I can squeeze into this envelope, I try to do that. So everybody, no matter what tier you're in, if you're in the monthly kit, we worked on these folios. And I do have a video on my YouTube channel. This is an ephemera folio for holding all your little bits and bobs of ephemera. And there is an ads-free tutorial over on Patreon, a tutorial with ads here in YouTube. And so that is the theme of this month, is small little pieces of ephemera and how to store them. Everybody from the letter post tier on up is getting a pre-made folio. I have made everybody just the base. I cut out the pockets, all of the pockets, and scored them for you. So everybody is getting the base of the folio. All you have to do is put the pockets in and then stick your ephemera in, and you have a nice little storage folio. With the folio and with the video you're also going to get the cutting and scoring guide so that you can make as many as you would like over time. It's a forever project. In the kit, you get a little card thanking you and just reminding you that this is our project of the month and where the tutorial can be found. So this is the letter post tier, and everybody in the letter post tier is also getting, when I can, I try to stick one piece of antique ephemera in there, and everybody in this tier is also getting a vintage prescription. I won these on auction, and I'm sharing them and sending them out to my Patreon. The next level up is the box of Paper Joy. The letter post is anything that I can just fit into this envelope, and it can never be more than 1/4 of an inch thick. The post office is very strict about these things. So it's a little challenging, but I do manage to put some really great things in there, I think. So the box of Paper Joy is a thicker package, and it's a great way to build your stash because you get a bunch of ephemera. I'm putting everything in these cute little lunch bags that I found just at my local grocery store, actually. I thought that they were adorable because they have little avocados on them. So all your stuff is going to come in one bag, and I'm going to put a couple of extra bags in there too. They're nice and crunchy. I started to decorate this one. Whoops, let me get the washi off. I started to decorate this one, but then I noticed that they are compostable. So I'm not sure how wet glue is going to do on these. It might degrade over time, so I was a little leery to start gluing stuff to the package. You'll have to let me know if they have disintegrated by the time they reach you. I don't think so, because I glued this one on quite a while ago, and it seems okay, but I just wanted to keep that to a minimum. So I started to decorate them and then thought, no, maybe not. Maybe not. But certainly this can be used in a journal. And then inside, I have some fun little items this month, just a variety to help you build your stash. Just some little summery die cuts that are kind of this pinkish color. Just a variety of those. A couple of antique ads that I cut out for you. And then I found in an estate sale, I bought a box of paper ephemera, and it had this really fun, somebody must have been into rabbits and had this fun rabbit show first prize, and this says Purina's Choice. It has a cool little tag on it, but this is going to be fun to decorate and put in a journal. So I just thought those were kooky, quirky, and fun. We're all about recycling, and you could do a lot with these. You don't have to have this writing on there. You could stick other pieces of fabric on there, paper, anything. So that's fun. And then everybody's getting a not a postcard, but it's a postcard shape. I bought a book that had these tear outs of images, paintings from famous artists. So everybody's going to get one of those. There's the subscriptions, more of these little ephemera pieces. And then these are fun. I found these at an antique store, and I bought a whole pack of leather samples, and these are just beautiful. I have a lot of fun with these. They already have the grommet in the top, so you can make them into tags. So you're getting a couple of these, and then a few little things that I made. Well, what these are actually are inserts that were in a bunch of wallpaper books that I bought. So I wanted to see, they were too shiny, so I distressed them, and I made some fun little pieces. The back's still shiny, but I made some fun little pieces of ephemera, and then I made some collaged tags. So this is everything that is coming in the kit. And then the bound volume tier, everybody is getting a William Morris file folder journal. So that is what the April kit is about. Let me neatly put this, I have to put this all back together again and get out to the post office with all of these. But I just wanted to give you a very brief sneak peek of the April kit, because as I said, I have a couple of openings left in each tier, but only like 2. So the May kit is going to be all about doilies. I have been collecting some antique doilies that I'm now ready to kind of, and they're stained, they're, you know, torn, they're antique, they're vintage. But everybody in the box of Paper Joy and the bound volume, they're going to get an antique doily. And then I bought some gorgeous paper doilies, and we're going to make some projects with those. So it's going to be doily month. Maybe lace, maybe frou-frou, trim, fabric. I'm not quite sure where I'm going with this theme, but definitely I bought a bunch of doilies, and we're going to be working with them, and I'm going to be sharing my finds with you. Come on over and sign up. It's tons of fun. The link is below. Build your stash with me.